All right, so we're adding and subtracting matrix. We're looking at problem 2 on 12-1, matrix operations. First thing you do is enter your matrix. All right, so who can tell me what is the name of this? What is this matrix dimension? Say that again. 3 by 2, yes, because it has 3 rows and 2 columns. So that's the first one. Highlight all of your cells. Click Formulas and Define Name. So this whole set, these 6 cells, are all going to be together as one item. All right, so I'm going to name that Array A. Okay, I've already used that one. Array B. So then we're going to scoot over and we're going to type, we want to subtract. So I want that centered, my subtraction sign. Tell me what I'm doing. So this one is 4, -2, 3, 6, -5, -6. All right, so this one, highlight it, Formulas, Define Name, and we're going to call this one Array C. All right, so I need an answer. So I know that my answer is going to be 3 rows and 2 columns. So I have to highlight an area, that space. 3 rows, 2 columns. So I want to equal, using formula, Array B minus, using formula, Array C. Now, you have to hit the Control and Shift button at the same time and then hit Enter. So Control Shift, then Enter. And there's your answer. All right, so let's do problem number 3. To check what you got, -4, 1, 6, -3. Define name. Number 3, Array A. And then we're going to add. Stop. Okay, so we'll leave the symbol out. I don't know why it's doing that. 5, -6, 5, -5, -2, 0, -2, -6. Formulas, define name, problem 3, Array B, formulas, define name, problem 3, Array C. All right. So is this possible? 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. So you make a 2 by 2 equals, using formula, 3A plus, using formula, 3B. Then it says minus, using formula, 3C. You have to hit Control and Shift at the same time. Hold them down, then hit the Enter button. All right, how many got that answer? Okay. When we do them on the computer, I want your answers highlighted. You will highlight your answers. All right. Well, I'll give you another assignment for computer. Actually, you're going to end up doing the evens on the computer. All right. So we know how to do them longhand, which with the addition and subtraction, that is not hard. But multiplication gets very, very confusing to do it longhand. All right. Now multiply. The scalar multiplication. Who remembers talking about that? That was the same as what, Miss Beal?
I don't know.
Yeah, you said it yesterday. A problem like number 5. It has the 5 on the outside. Distributive. It's scalar multiplication is no more than using the distributive property. You have to multiply what's outside by what is inside. All right, so let's look at how to do that. All right, so let's look at problem number 5, the second piece. So 5 is on the outside. We have a 2 and negative 5. Formula, define name. So this is problem 5, array B. All right. Do the same thing. Equals times, using formula, 5B, Control Shift, and then Enter. So when you're doing the multiplication, you're using the distributive property. It is the same procedure. All right. So how would we put problem number 5 in the computer? 3, negative 3, 5, 2, negative 5. Formula, define name. That one can stay the same. Define name. So we know it's going to be a 2 by 2. So equals, using formula, problem A plus, you have to put it in parentheses. Because you know you have to multiply first. Using formula, problem B. You still have to do the Control Shift and then Enter. All right, any questions? Do what? You need what up on the board? I will. All right, any questions?
So since we're doing it on the computer, do we have to show her?
When I click on this, since you're doing it on the computer, right there is your formula. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm checking your formulas. So when you submit this online on Echo, it will give me, I will be able to see the exact formula that you used, and that's what I'm looking for. So on the odd or the even ones, you don't have to write it back on the paper because you're going to upload your assignment from Echo. Any questions? All right, I'm going to upload this video.